Have you ever wanted to make amazing animations but thought you needed animation skills? In this lesson, I'll teach you 3 ways to make great animated videos in about 5 minutes. Let's get to it. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a few animations inside Canva. I've already opened a new video window. I'll start here. I'll go ahead and make all these pages roughly around 10 seconds long. The first thing I'll do is drag in my images. All these are from Creative Fabrica. I wanted to use something different besides the same Canva images everyone always uses. So I'll put it there. Then set as background. Same thing for this one. And for this one, I'll just enlarge it. You'll see why in a minute. All right, I'll start here. So there are 3 things I'm going to show you, 3 different ways to make animations. Let's get started. I'll go to Elements and look for Boat. I'll click here and choose Animated. Now all the boats are moving, so I chose a sailboat and put it right there. And, since this already looks like it's moving, I'll leave it as is. I'll take this then, click on Animate and click on the B. Then I'll hold down the Shift button and start dragging this across just like this. Until right about there, because I don't want to run it into the big rock. Nice! I'm going to slow it down some. I'll choose Steady, then I'll click Done. Okay, so that's one. Next, I'll go up here and choose Walk. I'll pick this lady. This time, I'll do something a little different. I'm going to put her over here, almost off the page. Then I'll click on Animate, then click on the B. Then just pull her across the page, just like that. Good. I'll take this and pick Smooth. Actually, I'll choose Original, then click on Done. On this last one, I need a helicopter. I'll choose this one and shrink it down. Then I'll put it up here. First, I'm going to detach the background because I want to be able to move it too. I'll shrink this down a little so you can see it better. Now I'm going to go to Position and pull this down to the back. For this last page, I'm going to make 2 different animations happen together. So I'll grab this and click on Animate, then click on the B. I'll hold down the Shift button and drag it over here. Then I'll choose Steady and slow it down. That's good. So for this, I'm going to flip it and put it back over here. I'll click on Animate, then the B, and I'll pull it like that. Let me slow it down. Then I'll click Done. And now when we watch this mini video, we can see that movement is happening 2 different ways.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.